Hank, am I under arrest? Am I under arrest? Hank, am I under arrest? Ah! That was pretty much the most exciting part of Buried episode of Breaking Bad. I'm making a new review of this one because my last one was kind of boring, almost as boring as the episode itself. The episode sucked. Nothing happened. The most exciting thing came right at the beginning. What happens, Hank confronts Skyler, and he wants Skyler to tell him everything he knows. Put it all together for him. Alright, because he has all his suspicions. All his suspicions are pretty much true, but he has no proof. He really has no real concrete evidence and needs Skyler to be a witness. Skyler knows that and backs away. She knows that she is deep into it. And that's something that Hank doesn't know, how much Skyler's involved. So Skyler keeps her mouth shut and takes off. You know, Hank doesn't know shit, fuck him. And so she finds out from Hank that Walt is going to die soon. And so, you know, she loves her man, she's sticking by her man, very proud of her. Thought she was a bitch earlier in the series, but I kind of like her now, standing by her man, gotta like that. Devotion, dedication, awesome stuff. And then what else happens? Marie confronts Skyler and realizes that everything that Hank says is true. Meanwhile, Walt thinks that Skyler's cutting a deal. Walt doesn't trust her and thinks that she's gonna cut a deal and turn him in. And the only evidence is the money. And so what he does, he goes out to the desert and buries all this cash. That whole shitload of cash. He makes this huge hole in the middle of the desert and he buries it. And then when he comes back home, Skyler's there and Skyler's saying, no, I didn't say anything. But then he passes out because he's so fucking exhausted from digging all night. And then when he comes to, he pleads with Skyler not to give up the money. Go ahead, turn him in, he'll turn himself in, don't give up the money, make sure all the money goes to the kids. But Skyler lets him know that, no, she didn't cut a deal. And really, the best thing that they should do is keep their mouths shut. So Skyler and Walt are ensconced in this. Skyler is right by his side. And so the lines are drawn. Skyler and Walt on one side, and Hank and Marie on the other. Alright, meanwhile, Lydia and Todd go and they confront the new meth cook, who sucks. And Lydia's trying to convince the new meth cook to improve. He won't do it. And so Todd comes along and wipes them all out. Kills them all. Todd's a fucking psycho. He's all polite and apologetic and has all his manners and shit, but he'll fucking kill you at the drop of a fucking dime. This guy is fucking nuts, man. Gotta watch this dude. Cold fucking blooded. Alright, what else? Oh, and so I think this is what's gonna happen. This is my next prediction. My other prediction was that Pinkman was gonna flip. My other one is that Lydia and Todd is gonna be a major problem in the next few episodes. Because, you know what? Todd's not gonna be able to cook like Walt. And Lydia needs that quality of meth to send overseas. So it's a problem. So they're gonna have to make Walt cook for them. And they're gonna try to force his hand. That's coming. And then the episode ends with Pinkman. They got Jesse in interrogation. They're talking to him about throwing out all that money and where that money came from. Hank goes back in and he's ready to just tell everyone, I'm an idiot. Yeah, admit the fact that the guy he's been chasing for the past year was his own fucking brother-in-law. Even though it might fuck up his career, he's gotta tell the DEA. He can't hide it from him. But he finds out that Jesse is in interrogation. And the episode ends with Hank about to go in to talk to Jesse. So, we'll see if Hank can make him turn. We'll see if Jesse wants to cut a deal. Alright, and see if my prediction's true. But, I tell ya, Lydia and Todd, those are the ones to look out for now. Alright, thanks for watching, YouTube.